for all of our listeners, I'm curious, where do you go to continue learning? Um, where, where do you go to continue getting better and going deeper into this industry?
Um, what I like to do is stay active in LinkedIn, um, because there's a lot of people out there that are a whole lot smarter than I am, and they post a lot of good articles. And of course, read all those articles you can. Um, Try to visit other companies' websites. There's a lot of people that have websites out there that talk about maintenance reliability. Um, I also recommend, getting on like the MRO bookstore, LinkedIn through Amazon, and just, find books and read books. Um, and then, of course, as you're reading the books, try to think to yourself how you can incorporate whatever you're reading into your organization. So,
Yeah, absolutely. Reading and education is one thing, but application of this knowledge is, the thing that actually drives change.
exactly, exactly.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because that's the biggest thing too. Is it's good to read all you can, but another big aspect that I've learned is really connecting with people. Whether they're inside or outside of the industry, the M&R industry that we're in. Connection's very important. You can share
Absolutely.
ideas and get buy-in or whatever. So